Friends, today we're going to see how to make muffin. This is simply delicious with a special topping. It's a streusel. It's crunchy, warm with the spices. It's so delicious. So friend, this muffin made with a one batter, but we're going to make three different flavor, friends. So friend, this is so good. Let's see what you need. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, this is the lemon blueberry muffin. The second flavor we decide strawberry and raspberry muffin, and all-time favorite is a banana maple muffin, friend. So friend, we always can mix and match the flavor. So I'm going to leave in the description below what flavor can be together. So please check out the description below. So friend, let's see what you need to make this yummy and soft and super delicious muffin. So friend, I divided this muffin for three part or three different methods, so steps. So first is we need to make a streusel. For streusel we need a 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 stick of butter, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. So friend, for the muffin we need a 6 tablespoon unsalted butter, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2/3 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon kosher salt. For the topping, you can have any type of fruits, about 1 cup. So I'm going to explain later. So friend, in the bowl add the butter. We're going to use the wooden spoon today. So I just mixed the butter and brown sugar, and now I'm adding the spice mix. It's a cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder. So we're going to make a streusel. So streusel is the topping on the muffin. So friend, just mix until we get nice breadcrumb texture. So we're going to keep adding all the flour. So this is the texture we needed. So friend, after we mix it, we're going to store in the fridge until we preparing the muffin batter. So friend, this is the perfect. So now we can store in the refrigerator until we make the muffin batter. So for muffin batter, I'm using 6 tablespoon unsalted butter with a 3/4 cup sugar. So we're going to mix in the wooden spoon until we get nice creamy texture, friends. So again, you always can use the hand blender or stand blender. It's up to you, but for now we are like to use the wooden spoon. So we can make it at home and anywhere we can make it, and we don't need a fancy blender. So it's all about learning. So I'm just adding the egg one at a time, and now I'm adding the vanilla extract. So friend, now we can add the sour cream, and we're going to mix until nice creamy texture. So now it's ready. Now we can add the flour. So friends, I'm adding with my shifter. So I'm just shift all flour, baking powder, salt and baking soda. So while we mixing, and we just add the shift flour little bit at time, so we don't have any lumps while we mixing. So we just shift it 3-4 times each time. So we keep adding until we form nice smooth batter. Now it's so soft. Look at this, friend. So creamy and it's perfect. So now I'm going to show. I'm dividing this batter for 3 portions. So because we're going to make 3 different flavor of the muffin. So each portion should be about 1 cup. So the total batter should be 3 cups. So I'm just taking about 1 cup. So now I'm just flour little bit on the topping. It's basically is fruits I have today. First topping is a banana and maple syrup. So I just add that flour a little bit on the banana. It's a cube banana that I just cut it. I'm just adding and we just mix it slowly. The second flavor it should be blueberry and lemon. So lemon blueberry is nice combination, so we just want to keep it that. And the third is a raspberry strawberry muffin. So for this we use the fresh strawberry and some fresh raspberry, and we have some jams for Streusel. So friends, in the muffin cup I just add all that batter. So each should be 1/4 cup of the batter. That's sufficient because anyway it's going to be double the amount, and meanwhile we're going to add Streusel on the top. So we need a very little batter for this muffin. Friend, fill out all that cup. Meanwhile we need to preheat our oven for 350 Fahrenheit. So friend, now we can add all the topping or your favorite decoration method. So today we are going to do with the fresh fruit. So I'm just add the fresh fruits on the topping, blueberries, banana and maple syrup. So if you like to add any syrup or your honey in your muffin, you just swirl with the one stick and you can add a topping. Now we can add that Streusel that we made it earlier. So I'm just add about each cup about 1 tablespoon. So it's going to be give nice crunch topping on our muffin. So friend, it smells so good because we add that cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder. So this is give nice warm and holiday flavor. So friends, please try. If you don't like any spices, you always can or vomit it. It is like it's your choice. And now it's ready, friends. And now I'm just add little bit pinch of lemon grated on the blueberry muffin. So it give nice hint of lemon zesty flavor. Now I just place the muffin in the oven, so let it cook for 40 minutes. So it could be 40 minutes. After 40 minutes we're going to give a check. So now it's almost done, halfway. So let it cook. Now it's done, friends. Look at on the top is nice golden brown and it's completely cooked. To check the cook method, you just insert a skewer into the dip, and if you come clean, that means it's ready. So friend, it's ready. It smells so divine. It's so warm. Feel like a holiday here. And look at this. It's so beautiful. It's just perfect for breakfast. So this is the lemon blueberry muffin. So I'm give a cut. You can see how it's inside. It's so soft and so crispy, crunchy on the top, and that's perfect for the breakfast. Look at this, friend. Look at that. Blueberries all is cooked, soft. Now I'm going to show you banana maple syrup muffin. It's smell heaven here. I can't wait to try. This is so good. Look at this. Soft the muffin, the crunchy top. It's just delicious, friend. Now we're going to see that strawberry and raspberry muffin. It's so good. I'm going to cut and show you how it's inside. It's so soft and the crumbles so heaven. Look at this, friend, the fresh fruits. So friends, you always can make with your different type fruits. You can use mangoes, peach, apricot, dry cranberries, raisin. So friends, please check out the description below. So I just had some mix and match flavor. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.